Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channels, Manas Pal Unique World Education YouTube channels. Today I will learn about and how to make a coils without connecting a, how can we glue a bulb without connecting a battery and without connecting a wire. So please this see here, this is my projects. We can invest 20,000 rupees of this projects, and we can make and we can glue a light and glue a bulb without any wires. So please see here. So before starting this video, don't forget my like and subscribe my videos. Let's start it. This is the first coil and this is the second coil. First coil have connected to a bulb and second coils have connected to a battery buttons, and the two main components is known as transistors and resistors. So without connecting a wires we can glue a bulb. I will see you without connecting a wires how can glue a bulb. This is a very tough invention and tough invented. So please see and cannot forget a like and subscribe. So let's start it. I will show you videos that can you see in it on the screen. Please see it, and please learn how can we make these coils and how can we glue a bulb without any connected to a wire. Please show it. I hope you can show fully videos. So let's we can tell us about this some components and some characteristic and features of the project. So firstly we can open a buttons and connect it to a battery, and two component resistor and transistors can connect it. So when we close the first coil to the second coil without connecting a wire, the bulb was glow. You can see it. Without connecting a wire, the bulb was glow it. I hope you will learn how to make a coils without and how to make a glow up bulb without connecting a wire. So I hope, thank you, have a nice day, goodbye.